When it comes to home improvement, one of the most significant upgrades you can make is installing or replacing your siding. In Macomb, where the weather can vary from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, your home's siding plays a crucial role in protecting it from the elements while enhancing its curb appeal. While some homeowners may consider DIY siding installation as a cost-saving option, investing in professional siding installation is a wise decision that offers long-term benefits for your home. Here's why professional siding installation in Macomb is worth the investment. Expert installation for long-term durability. One of the most important reasons to hire a professional for your siding installation is the quality of the installation. Proper installation ensures that your siding will perform as expected for years to come, preventing issues such as leaks, moisture infiltration, and drafts. Professional siding installers have the experience and training to handle the complexities of the installation process, ensuring that the siding is properly aligned, sealed, and secured. In Macomb, where extreme temperatures and weather conditions are common, it's essential to have siding that is properly installed to withstand rain, snow, wind, and sun exposure. A poorly installed siding system may not function correctly, leading to damage that could have been avoided with proper installation. By investing in professional installation, you're ensuring the durability of your home's exterior, which will save you money on future repairs and replacements. Enhanced energy efficiency. The siding on your home does more than just protect it from the elements. It also plays a significant role in the energy efficiency of your home. Professional siding installers can help you choose the right materials and insulation for your specific needs. Properly installed siding helps to insulate your home, reducing heat loss during the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. This can lead to significant savings on your energy bills throughout the year. In Macomb, where both winter and summer can put a strain on your HVAC system, high-quality siding installed correctly can be a game-changer. Insulated siding materials, such as fiber cement or vinyl, help keep your home more comfortable, requiring less energy to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By investing in professional installation, you can ensure your home's energy efficiency is maximized, resulting in lower heating and cooling costs. Increased home value and curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. Installing new siding can significantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it look fresh, modern, and well-maintained. Professional siding installation ensures that the exterior of your home is uniform, with seamless materials that complement the architectural style of your property. Additionally, high-quality siding can increase your home's market value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, well-maintained siding can make your property more attractive to buyers, giving it an edge over other homes on the market. Buyers are more likely to be drawn to homes with updated exteriors, knowing that the siding will provide reliable protection from the elements for years to come. Better protection against the elements. In Macomb, where heavy rain, snow, and fluctuating temperatures are common, your home's siding serves as the first line of defense against the elements. professional siding installation ensures that your home is adequately protected from water damage, wind damage, and UV damage. High-quality materials like vinyl, fiber cement, or wood are designed to resist the impact of rain, hail, and snow. When installed properly, these materials form a protective barrier that keeps moisture from seeping into the walls of your home, preventing mold, mildew, and wood rot. Additionally, professional installers know how to properly seal corners, edges, and joints to ensure that your home is protected from wind-driven rain and drafts. By opting for professional siding installation, you are ensuring your home has the best possible protection against the harsh weather conditions in Macomb, reducing the risk of costly water damage and wear and tear. Long-term maintenance savings. While some homeowners may be tempted to save money with DIY siding installation, the long-term costs can add up. Improperly installed siding can lead to a host of issues, including water infiltration, gaps, and poor insulation, which may require costly repairs. On the other hand, professional siding installation comes with the assurance of warranties and guarantees on both the materials and the labor. With professional installation, you'll benefit from less maintenance over time. High-quality siding materials like vinyl or fiber cement are known for their durability and low maintenance properties. Unlike wood siding, which requires regular painting and sealing, these materials hold up well against the elements without the need for frequent touch-ups. By investing in professional siding installation, you'll save money on future repairs, maintenance, and paint jobs. Expert advice and material selection. Choosing the right siding material for your home can be overwhelming, especially with the variety of options available. Professional siding contractors in Macomb can help you choose the best material for your home's needs, taking into account factors like climate, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Whether you choose vinyl, fiber cement, wood, or metal, professionals can provide expert advice on the best options for durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Additionally, professional installers have access to high-quality materials that may not be available to DIYers. They can recommend the best products that will not only enhance the look of your home but also provide long-lasting protection against the elements. Final thoughts. While it may seem tempting to cut costs with DIY siding installation, the benefits of hiring a professional siding contractor in Macomb far outweigh the initial investment. From ensuring durability and energy efficiency to enhancing your home's curb appeal and market value, professional siding installation provides a solid return on investment. By opting for expert installation, you're ensuring that your home remains protected, beautiful, and energy efficient for years to come.